Just a minute after the strike of 12, players started filing through the gates onto Rhodes Field. Not many schools in northern Michigan do this, but here in Kingsley, opening the first practice at midnight is starting to catch on.
I think the whole idea was to get kids excited about football, and it's kind of like a race against time. The idea of starting as soon as you can at 12:01, because that's the first day of 2 days, was kind of a way to get the kids excited about football.
I think it's a great idea. I mean, we get everybody out here all on the same page. It's fun, it's great atmosphere, it's good weather, it's not too hot, it's not too cold.
Getting a jump on the competition and giving the community that's been through so much an opportunity to come together.
1, 2, 3, go!
It was really exciting actually to be part of Kingsley this week. Sergeant Justin Hansen passing away in Afghanistan was obviously a huge loss to the community, but he was a true American hero, and it was just a great way to honor him the last couple of days.
And more honors are coming. Kingsley is retiring Sergeant Justin Hansen's number 54 when the Stags open their season against St. Francis August 23rd. Reporting in Kingsley, Matt Soltesiak, 7 and 4 Sports.